Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to adjust your conga1990 for optimal performance. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by turning off the device and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the conga1990. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. It's important to keep this area clean, so take your soft cloth and gently wipe away any dust or debris. This not only helps with performance, but also extends the life of your device. If you notice any stubborn dirt, a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on the cloth can help. Now let's focus on the adjustment mechanism. You'll find a series of gears and belts that may need realignment. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can help you identify any issues without any pressure to commit to repairs. As you adjust the gears, ensure they are properly seated and aligned. This is crucial for the device to function smoothly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting the device yourself. After making the necessary adjustments, it's time to reassemble the back panel. Align it carefully and replace the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the panel. Once everything is back in place, plug the device back in and turn it on. Test its functionality to ensure everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We can provide you with an estimate so you know what to expect. In summary, adjusting your conga1990 involves careful disassembly, cleaning, and precise adjustments. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can enhance your device's performance significantly. Remember, if you need assistance, our services are just a call away, with no calls, no travel required. Thank you for watching, and happy adjusting. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.